Hi guys, my name is Alex. I'm the manager of a Chinese restaurant chain. Australia has both good chances and big challenges. In my mind, a stir fry always needed a chef's skill. I didn't think a machine could make a real flavor. So the first time I saw this machine, I was really surprised, but I had a lot of questions about it. It's really uncertain. I really think cooking has always been a chef's skill, but somehow this machine can pull it off and make it work. We use it for most dishes. The taste is always the same, consistent, no matter who cooks. So our Cornish store was really successful and built a strong reputation. That gave me more and more confidence in the brand. To be honest, even though Asian food is super popular in Australia, the old way of running restaurants could never really scale up. The biggest headache was always the turnover of head chefs. You spend 6 months hiring and training a chef, and right when they get really good, they leave, and most of the time, they go straight to your competitors. We tried everything, from high salaries to even offering shares in the business. But nothing really fixed the problem. With the machines, it's totally different. Now we can cook 4 kilograms of fried noodles in under 5 minutes. Way faster than any human chef. In a 40 square meter store, just 1 full-time manager and 2 staff. Can handle over 400 orders a day, with maybe 1 part-timer during the peak hours. Because we run with fewer people, our layout is simpler, the workflow is smoother, and the overall operating cost is much lower. That's how we can compete at prices even below McDonald's and still make money. Lower prices bring in more traffic, and our cost structure gets even better. Most importantly, now we feel confident about scaling fast. Our franchise partners also feel confident because we can guarantee they'll get their full investment back within a year. The whole business model just works much better when food quality, speed, and costs are all under control. For the brand, it makes opening new shops much easier. And even with the competition, our sales keep rising with the BOTINKIT. Expression feels much easier, like having extra help. I see the future of this industry as a mix of control, kitchens, and more automation in shops, with less prep work and higher efficiency. Overall, I think BOTINKIT's machine has been a really good investment. It showed me a new way to run a business,